Hello ladies, and welcome to Let's Not Count, because who does anyway? Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with some squats because that's what we're going to start with. Nice and easy. Today is no weights. However, if you have some bands, that would be great. I'm going to demonstrate everything with and without bands. Keep squatting, nice and easy. I want you to open up, get the hips and ready, get the knees ready, get blood going into the thighs. Now we're going to stand up and reach over to the top, right, other side. Start moving, get blood going. You have got to warm up, even if you don't pick up weights, but especially anytime the weather is colder, your muscles are cold, and you start moving, that's when things can get torn easily. And torn away from the bones. And yes, it sounds worse than it is worse than it sounds. Side to side, keep going. Side to side, come on. Wake it up. Get it going. Make sure everything's running. Okay, now go. Low and low and low. Flat back. Flat back. Go side to side, toes are forward. Weight is in the heels. You're reaching past your toes on either side. Get a little lower, go a little slower. Get into those hips, stretch out those inner thighs, side to side. We're even going to go lower. Why? Because we can. Now only if your knees can, come over, walk it over. Just walk it out. Nice up, walk it over. Toes come up. You can see I'm bracing myself. Walk it over. Toes come up, brace yourself. We'll get better at these. Walk it over, brace, toe up. Okay, and keep feet come in. Let's do some down dogs. So out in your inchworm, right plank, push back to down dog. Now touch your right hand to your left foot and back out. Push back opposite, and again, take it out. Opposite reach, out, opposite reach, a couple of more on each side, and then we'll get right into our practice per exercise. All right, bring it back, knees down, heels down, come up. First thing is squats. So we'll be doing squats here. If you have bands, come on with me, we're warming up. If you have bands, I want you to put them on above your legs. Now the thing with these squats, you'll notice we're not going fast. I want you to think about the concentration in getting low. So from the side. Now obviously, your back, come on, this is a warm-up. Everybody's doing this with me. If you find that you do this versus this, I want you to go stand up against a wall. Because I guarantee the second you try to go forward, your body's not going to let you, and you're going to go into a squat. So obviously your body's going to come, keep going. Obviously your body's going to come forward, but I don't want it to be a hinge. I want it to be knee bend. Shoulder taps onto the floor in your plank. Tap opposite shoulder. Come on, this is not fast. Do not go fast. I do not want to see the body rocking. Right? Okay, so couple more of these. Let's do 5 and 5, 4 and 4 and 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1 and 1. Now, hamstrings, if you have sliders, you're going to put them underneath your heels. You're going to come up and you're going to go out and in, out and in, out and in. If you do not have sliders, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to reach out and come in, and reach out and come in. If you are on a tile or a wood floor, you can use paper plates or dish towels or like really thick socks. So come on up. We have plank jumping jacks or plank toe taps. So you're back in a plank. This is our warm-up. Keep going. Here's your jumping jack. Notice I'm not here. That's a down dog jumping jack. Here, keep going. If you're not a jumper, we have non-jumping toe taps. Okay, right here. A couple more, come on. 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, and 1. Curtsy abduction. You are standing on one leg. Take the other behind. Curtsy. Foot is flexed. Take the side of the foot towards the ceiling. Again, if you have bands, this is great, right above the knees. Come on, I am doing this for my health, but I'm doing this for your health as well. So this is our warm-up. We're practicing each one. Down in the heel, and down in the heel. Now, other side. Down in the heel, down in the heel. Now, I am not kicking, not just kicking. Squeeze. The squeeze is what's going to raise your assets. Okay, here we go. Squats, as low as you can go. 1, how low can you go without hurting your knees? 2, come on. 3, squeeze the butt, stand up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, exhale on the way up. 9, squeeze the butt, stand up. 10, come on. You're not going to get the butt you want by sitting on it. Come on. We got this. Inhale down, exhale, squeeze up. Here's 14. But again, who's counting? Come on, ladies, 10 more. Here's 10, get low, squeeze up. 9, squeeze up. 8, squeeze up. Inhale, exhale up. 6, inhale down. 5, squeeze up. Inhale down. 4, squeeze up. Come on. 3, 2 more. Exhale up. 1 more, 1 more. Awesome. Grab a drink. Okay. Shoulder taps. I will not be using that. But you can if you want, because it'll make your core do more work if your legs are not able to move far. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, belly button in. 3, where are your eyes? 4, 5, 6, belly button in. 7, eyes out. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, come on. 13, 14, heels back, get a stretch. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5 more, and 4, 3, belly button in, eyes out. 2, 1 each side, nice job. Grab your sliders, your plates, your nothing. Now, if you want, you can try out and in with both, but that usually makes for a very almost crampy hamstring. Palms up, not down. Face up. All right, here we go, one at a time. 1, 2, stay up. There is daylight under the moon. Do not let it hit the ground. 6, 7. There are no eclipses here. 9, 10, 11, 12. Stay in the heel. 13, look up. 14, 15, 16, 17. Butt up. 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, come on. 3, butt up. 4, squeeze it. And 5, both sides. Nice job. Awesome work. Whew, my shins almost hurt on that one. Okay, plank, shoulder taps. Gonna get a drink real quick. Plank, shoulder taps. Get in your plank. And tap. 1, 2. If you're here, 3. Get here. 4. Where are your eyes? 5, 6, 7. Look at your fingertips. 8. That's where your peripheral vision needs to be. 10, 11. Don't move. 12, 13. No rocking. 14, 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Okay, I am going to grab a band and put it on for the curtsy abductors. So, of course, when you add two numbers together, it's add. So pulling the legs together is an adduction. Taking it away from your body is ab. So we always have to think, all right, curtsy, I'm standing on my right leg. Curtsy, take it out. Good, here comes 2. Down and up. Come on, 3. Whoop. 4. 5. Be deliberate. 6. 7. Side of the foot up to the ceiling. 8. 9. Oh, that should be 8. I don't know where we are because remember, let's not count. 10. 11. Yeah, it's this one. 12. Don't kick. 13. Look at me. 14. Stay in the grounded heel. 15. 10 more. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Oop. 4. 3. 2. Oh my goodness. 1. Oh, yes. Raising those assets the cheap and easy way, and not fun or not painless. And go. Curtsy. Find your spot. Eyes are up. Yes, this leg should be much better now that you've already used it. So I started on my right leg. When we do this set again, I will start on my left to give them both equal shared time in the pain that comes on the second leg. And yes, you'll notice it's not necessarily my leg, it's my balance from working on the other one. Come on, eyes at me. Inhale down, exhale, up and out. Inhale down. Boom. 10 more. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Inhale, exhale, 4. 3. 2. Wow, such a difference. 1. Let's see if the other side is just as much fun when I do it first. All right, banded bicycles. Since I have bands, I will use them. If you don't, that's okay. It is your bicycle, so if you don't, you can be right here. I'm going to grab a quick drink, and then right into bicycles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, gosh darn it, we're going to start again. So what I like to do is make a figure 8. Make a figure 8. I was afraid that might happen. Go on, twist, and now you should be fine. Here we go. Bonus work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, push pull, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. I want you to take a tricep while we're down here. Take a tricep up and over. They just got worked. They just, yeah. Ow, ow, ow. And other side. We'll come back to this in just a second. Oh, yes, I'm moving. That's why I'm not a good yogi, because you're supposed to be still. Okay, let's take care of our wrist. They really worked us, so nice and gentle. You're not resting on them. All you're doing is taking them and bending them the other way. Okay? Love on them. Look, you don't have to, amazing, you do not have to pick up a weight to make a difference. Take it over to the side. Oh, stretch that crunch. Other side. And crunch. Nice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the floor. We're going to grab a leg, our right leg. Our left leg is going to be out straight. We're going to bring that right leg in and we're going to give it a big hug. Lots of love, lots of love. Feel that on the inner thigh. Now, I want you to grab your ankle or your shoestring. We've done this one, or your foot. Big inhale. Exhale, release it gently to the ceiling as you gingerly press against your knee and feel that right here. Not here, here. If you feel it behind your knee, let up. Now, I want you to bring that down. I want you to bring that knee towards the floor. Nice and easy. Nice inner thigh. Here we go again. Take it up. Inhale. Exhale. Gently push against the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Bring that knee towards the floor next to the armpit. Body stays towards the ceiling. And release. Take that knee across the body. Knee to the floor. Now, hand up to the ceiling. Other one's on your knee, keeping it on the floor. Look back behind you. Follow your hand behind you. Nice, easy back twist. Release your hand. Release your knee. Okay. Other leg in, left leg in, right leg out. Big inhale. Exhale, release that up gently. Push against the knee. Oh. Now big inhale. Exhale, bring that knee to the floor towards your armpit. This side I think is a bit tighter. That's what we'll be working on. Oh, God. Inhale, take it up, gently push on the knee. We're going to go to the floor again in just a second. Big inhale. Exhale, bring the knee towards the floor by your armpit. Oh, get that stretch. Awesome. Now take that knee, bring it across the body, put it on the floor with your hand. Take your arm up to the ceiling, your other one. Let it reach back behind you as you follow it with your eyes and try to keep your knee on the floor. Yes, I'm definitely more tighter and definitely need to see somebody about it. Holy moly. Oh, mama. And release. Huge difference. Huge difference. Come up and cross. Sit up straight and tall. Big inhale. We're going to take our chest towards our leg. Inhale up. Exhale, forward, not down. Stretching out that hip. Yes, I'm definitely in need of some fascia release. And other side. And cross, big inhale. Exhale, bring it forward, chest forward, eyes up. Ladies, nice job. Great work. And I will see you tomorrow.